Hey everyone, today I'm making a Pinterest-inspired pink tray, something I've been wanting to try for a long time. First, I started by drawing the design with a white marker, just a simple sketch to guide me. Then I applied a smooth coat of gesso to prepare the base. Once it dried, I began coloring the sections using soft pastel shades, pinks, lilacs, creams, everything that gives cozy Pinterest vibes. After that, I painted some tiny flowers and vases, inspired by all those cute Pinterest boards I always scroll through. Then came my favorite part, adding the final coat of varnish. It gave the tray such a shiny and finished look. And that's how I made this cute Pinteresty pooky tray. I honestly fell in love with how it turned out. It's pastel, soft, and aesthetic, just the way I imagined. Can't wait to use it for serving snacks and desserts. What do you think of this tray?